Hey there everyone, Rajat here. So we have completed 10,000 subscribers on this channel and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for helping me achieve this goal. Now in this video, let's talk about the motivations behind starting this channel. So that will be the retrospective part and also what my future plans are related to how I want to grow this channel. So let's talk about the motivations behind starting this channel. So back in 2016, I was learning all of these new and emerging technologies like JavaScript, Heroku, and things like that. And I was working for TCS. So in my day job, I was not getting to experience or work on these cutting edge technologies because organizations like TCS are very reliant upon stable technologies like Java and Oracle and things like that. And I wanted to learn some cutting edge stuff and I was not getting enough fodder for my curiosity. So I started learning things on the side outside of my regular working hours. And I gained some competency in such technologies and I wanted to talk about it. So naturally, I started talking about such stuff with my colleagues and turned out that nobody was interested in talking about such issue because they just wanted to get done with their work and just go home and enjoy their lives. They did not want to talk about such stuff. So I thought that if these people are not interested, that I would just go on YouTube or on the internet and start uploading my thoughts and all. And then I analyzed where to put my thoughts. At that time, I was writing for Medium. So I had written some articles on Medium that gained some traction, right? But still, I wanted to grow myself, right? And I wanted to have some proper command over the English language as well. And because I wanted to sit for IELTS and all, so I thought that it would be really great for me to start a technical channel where I will upload technical stuff in English and I will kill two birds with the same stone, and that is learn and get a proper hold over the English language and also start building my own community of software developers who are also interested in the things I am interested in. So those were my two primary motivators, and there was a third motivator as well because I have been very interested in the entrepreneurial side of things. So I always wanted to build something on my own apart from working for the man, because working for yourself, working as an entrepreneur allows you to build so many skills, and I was very enticed toward this entrepreneurship, right? So I thought that okay, I will start uploading stuff and I will also try to make some money from this channel. And at that time I was only informed about the AdSense thing. Then I had a plan that okay, I would create quality content. I would put out the best of what I know and I would keep the ads turned on and I would make some money out of it, right? And that's what I have done till this point. Whatever money I have made from this channel, I have reinvested it in buying more equipments. Like I have bought this mic and I have upgraded my RAM because this channel does not generate that much of a money, right? Which can actually support my lifestyle or I can just go on a trip. It just makes some pennies here and there, but those pennies are reinvested in upgrading the equipments for this channel, right? So I had interest in those sort of aspects like growing myself as an entrepreneur, and I am pretty happy to tell you guys that this has been a moderately successful venture of mine because I have created web applications, I have created mobile applications, I have written blogs, but none of those things have been this successful. None of my web application have gotten 10,000 downloads. None of my blog posts have gotten 10,000 reads, but these channels have gotten 10,000 subscribers. Now you can say that this has been my personal best when it comes to the entrepreneurial part, right? So that makes me really happy. So those were the motivators. Now let's talk about what my future plans are. Since I have already told you that if I can make money doing what I love, I will not mind it. So I have my job, right? But if I can make money by selling courses, by selling info products on this channel, right? First, I want to establish that I have no intentions in selling you guys something which I personally do not believe in. If I do not believe in certain products, if I do not believe in certain courses, I will not sell to you guys, right? I will create my own courses and I will pitch those courses to you on this channel, right? I have created an accompanying website, codelit.dev. On codelit.dev, I will be uploading courses and tutorials, right? So the plan is that I will keep all the fundamental and basic courses free, like basic HTML, basic CSS, and basic programming in whatever languages you guys are interested in, because I know that there are certain languages that are pretty famous with new developers like Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, right? So I will upload all such courses for free. Those courses will be available on codelet.dev for free. On top of that, I will also upload some paid content, some paid courses, but those courses will be the advanced one. I will not upload a basic course and ask you to pay money for it, right? Because personally I think that is something which is not very honest, because most of the basic stuff is available for free for everyone to consume. So I just do not want to create that sort of a product and put a price tag on it, because that will be something which will not be very ethical, right? So I will create basic stuff and upload it for free, so that anyone who does not have enough resources can go on codelet.dev, learn for free, get a job. In case they get a job and they feel like that they need to learn more, then they can come back to codelet.dev and hunt for more resources, and those resources are going to be the advanced resources, and then I can ask you to pay for such stuff, because I hope that at this particular point of time you have something in your pocket and you will not mind paying me, because I am also devoting a really good chunk of my time into creating this product, right? So it will be a healthy balance of things from both ends. On top of that, CodeLit.dev is being powered by a platform which I am building myself. I have named the platform CourseLit. If you want to visit the platform, you can head over to https courselit.app and you can learn what this platform does. So basically it is an LMS I am building, and it's a subscription based LMS. So basically I have plans that I will also sell subscription to this LMS which I built for codelet.dev, so that if there is someone who wants to create his own course selling website or info product selling website, he can easily do that by buying a subscription. If he does not want to buy a subscription, he can take the code from the Git repository, because CodeLit has been kept open source, so you can just grab the code and host it on your own server. Because I am a software developer myself and I appreciate when a software is open source and I do not have to shell out stuff in order to build something, in order to start something, because I certainly do not know whether my entrepreneurial venture is going to be a success or not. So I just do not want to spend a bunch of money on the experimentation. I want to keep that money to the least, right? So that is the intention. I have kept CourseLit free, so that if you are someone who is also thinking about building his own or her own teaching platform, you can just go and grab the code and host it on your own server, because I have read a pretty descriptive guide about how to go about installing it, and then you can just start building courses and start selling those, right? Because that is the ideology I believe in. I should not be spending all of this money in order to just experiment. So just take that code and run it on your own servers. But I have created a hosted version of it as well, so that I can sell it to the users who are not interested in maintaining and hosting their own LMS or own learning management system. If they are technical enough, they can do it using the open source branch, but if they do not want to deal with all the hassle, they can just go and purchase the monthly subscription. As of now, the monthly subscription part is not ready. I have been building it and that keeps me really busy these days. That is the reason I cannot upload videos regularly on this channel. But yes, this is a grand scheme. Put courses on CodeLit.dev and make money from it. Sell subscription on CodeLit.dev and make money. So whatever money I'm going to make from this thing will actually help me in building a safety net for myself, because we have seen the ephemerality of full-time jobs. We have seen the pandemic and how people have lost their very stable jobs. So it's always better to plan for the worst, right? I have my full-time job. I love my full-time job. I am very dedicated towards it. But yes, we do not know, or we cannot be very sure of the market. So we have to keep our options open. I have no intentions in leaving my full-time job and going down the entrepreneurial route full time. I am pretty happy that I get to work on stuff as a full-time employee. Then in my free time, I can learn interesting new technologies and upload it on codelit.dev and codelit YouTube channel and make some money from it if I can, right? Without being a full-fledged marketer who is always up to selling whatever stuff, even though he does not believe in it, right? I do not subscribe to that ideology. I will only sell stuff what I actually believe in. So at this point, we have reached to the conclusion of our video. I again thank you all for being a part of this journey, and I hope that you will always keep on supporting me in this venture. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment. I will try to address your queries or whatever questions you have for me. And I see you guys in some other video talking about some other technology. Take care. Bye.